So in our previous tutorial, we learned how to create a plugin form, which was derived from master class, which serves as our parent or base class for all our form, regardless if it is plugin or not. Now, we will learn how to create a plugin which is derived from an interface. So there are different types of plugins, such as plugins that shows a form, plugins that execute something, and plugins that interact with the plugin host, such as changing the styles, background, and many more. And by the way, an interface, it is a programming principle which defines the what are the properties, methods, and events you want to implement. So basically, it's just like a draft or a structure. So no actual execution of code. So for our first step, we will create the main application. Let's just rename it and fix its size and caption. So again, let's add a menu strip and some options. Then let's add the forms. Next, let's add the click event. And let's add the checking if there is already an open form. And let's create a new instance of a form. Then let's just fix somewhat positioning. Then let's test. So that's it. So let's just close this one. And next, we will create our plugin structure or the interface. So let's delete this one and add a new file. So interface. So let's just make it public. Then let's add a reference to the system.windows.forms. So we will add a void or a method. So we call it change style. And we supply it a parameter form or the plugin host. So let's build in release mode. So that's it. Our next step, we will create the plugin that will be loaded on our main application. So let's just rename and add a reference to the plugin structure that we created earlier. Then let's just add its namespace and inherit the interface. Then we will implement its method. Then we need to add some references, system.windows.forms. So let's just change the background color of the plugin host. And let's just change the font of the controls. Then let's just build and that's it. So let's just close this one and let's get back to our main application. Then add some options in the plugin, load and remove, and add a open file dialog. So add a click event on the load plugin, and we will be using reflection to be able to load the plugin or the DLL. So let's just set the file dialog. So next, let's just add a for each. To get the types in the plugin. And then let's just add a validation to make sure that the right DLL or the right plugin will be loaded. So next, let's just add a reference to the plugin structure. Then let's create an instance of it. So that's it. So let's just locate the plugin. So first, let's try to load a wrong DLL. So it's working. So you can see the font was changed. But let's also apply the style on all the forms. So we just need to make it global. So it's working. Next thing will be on the remove event. So we just need to set it as null and reset the color. So let's reset also all the forms. So let's just test again. Haha, we forgot something. So we will reset also the font of the controls, such as the menu strip. Lastly, we need also to apply the style on the open forms. So let's just test. There you go.